guys, Luke Crides is back with a huge bit of news for not only Luke Crides, but for Britain and the entire country.
What the hell did you just say?
What?
Let's get motorvlogging, let's get riding to Ducati super naked, and let's go out for a ride.
You gotta say it like that fucking Ducati.
Zip it, Sinead.
You gotta say it like that fucking Ducati.
God fucking damn it! He's an asshole.
Yeah! Intro! Woo!
It's showtime.
Pink bike here at Luke Crides. Don't you love it when you see signs like that here at Luke Crides? Oh yes we do. Because the country, because Britain is as of the 29th of March this year, is finally gonna be brought out of lockdown, and we are gonna finally see some of our freedoms returned, that the stay-at-home order by the government is rescinded and will no longer apply to every British citizen here.
Oh my god.
And we do not have to stay home if we do not want to. That we can literally have some freedoms and do what we want to do. Oh, what's that saying? Be free, or what's it? We want to do, want to have some fun, want to have some good time.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Oh, it was like an 80s pop. It was like an 80s slang. I think it's 90s, but it was slang from a long time ago that Luke Crides remembers hearing a long time ago. But finally, it's absolutely brilliant, everyone, that finally Britain, that the country is slowly starting to heal. You know, because too much time. Oh, Ducati bang bangs.
We are sexy. We are sexy, yeah!
Ducati sexiness here. Oh, hero roll. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, baby! Yeah.
Let's overtake the traffic because we can, because we're on a motorcycle, and fuck all you haters. Oh, be careful, be careful of the traffic. Let's see. The way that car drivers position themselves is not fantastic. This is always the annoying part here at the, oh well, see, you could even get a fucking Ducati into, there, see that neutral, Sebastian.
Hey, shut up with the noise!
Hey, shut up with the shut up!
You shut up with the shut up!
Shut up in your face! Now am I a dog I wanna shut up?
Why you know I shut up?
I make you shut up!
You too, shut up!
Hey, I poke out of my head!
Oh, I mean, look at it, everyone. Free, open air. And, you know, we've all gone through lockdown for far too long. We've all suffered because of lockdown far too long, everyone. Far too long. You know, we all just want to live our lives. I mean, to think, everyone, here at Luke Crides, I mean, an entire year of our lives that we're never going to get back, and was taken away from us, you know, because of coronavirus, because the government is hell-bent on trying to stop this virus from spreading. Yet, you know, that's cost us a year of our lives that, you know, as well as Luke Crides and everyone on the channel knows, you're never going to get that year back. You're never going to get that year of your life back. You know, it's gone, you know, it's just literally a year of our lives where we literally just spent trying to not get infected and trying to stay safe. And that is, yeah, it's so sad. But as of the 29th, let's put it on the screen, everyone, the 29th of March 2021, the government, the British government, our government, is going to rescind the Stay Home Order Act, and we are going to be allowed to actually be free, to do what we want to do within reason, within the restrictions. But this is the path towards freedom. This is the path towards the country. Oh, look, another motorcyclist. Yeah! Oh, Ducati bang. Oh, oh. That's pretty cool to see another motorcyclist follow. That's pretty fucking cool. But that's the main thing, is the freedom. Is the freedom, everyone. The fact that our freedoms are being given back. And that is so important. You know, we are free. We are a democracy. We should be free. We should be able to do what we want to do. We should be able to bloody go up that road and go, wah, wah. Oh.
Well then, Basil, this looks like a case for double behave.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Bang! That was a naughty to catch acceleration. But it's the main thing is we're all being brought back some of our freedoms. And, you know, we've all suffered because of this virus. Imagine the amount of businesses, everyone here at Luke Rides, that no longer exist. Imagine all the families that have struggled and struggled to be able to try and pay their bills because they're not earning an income from work, because they have been, well, anything from being furloughed to being actually losing their jobs completely, you know, that they have suffered from. And, you know, it's going to take a lot of time, assuming anybody truly heals, assuming anyone truly heals from the damage caused by the lockdown. It is scared. It is so scary. Luke Wright's going to do another video for you where we're going to talk about what's actually being lifted from the current government restrictions and what is it that we're allowed to do as of the 29th of March, but we're not allowed to do before. Ah, it's the cyclist. Oh, fair play, dude. Into the corners. Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Oh, it's just so much fun to actually be on two wheels again. Just a ride, man. Just a ride. That's pretty cool that we got another motorcyclist following Luke Rides. I believe that is a Yamaha. A Yamaha motorcycle. Oh, here we go into the corners, man. Oh. We've got a little bit of a jib jab going on here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh dear, look at that motorcyclist go. He's just fucking off. The thing is, Luke Rice does not have freaking sliders, you know. I don't think Luke Rice wants sliders. It's just good to ride, man. But I'm so glad that the world is healing, that the world is starting to sort itself out. I mean, look at the activity already. It goes to show how fed up we all are of being stuck at home and locked down and not having any freedoms whatsoever. We're all fucking tired of it. We're all broken from it. We all feel mentally sad from it. We all feel mentally damaged from it, some of us. Now, this is not how we're supposed to be. We as human beings are not supposed to be freaking animals. Do you know what I mean? We're not animals. We're not caged animals that just get caged, you know, and then that's okay. That's not how it is. Oh, the motorcycles are out today. Oh god, everybody's having fun, aren't they? They're like, hey, having fun, people, having fun. Oh, what an announcement to make here at Luke Rides, how things are getting better, how the world is getting better. And we're going to finish up now. But brilliant. Thank you for watching, everyone, and having some fun on what is a simple ride to work under the current lockdown rules that are about to be null and void as of March the 29th. Get in! Oh, bangity bangity boom boom bangy. Yeah, everyone, you've really enjoyed the awesome news here at Luke Rides. To know that the country is now moving away from total lockdown, that we're getting some of our freedoms, back. That is a part of the democracy. That is the beauty of Europe. That is the beauty of the part of the world that we live in, that it's healing. And though it is taking time, it's getting there. And let's go into what restrictions are lifted on the next episode. Next motor vlog here at Luke Rides, and let's get into it, because the country's healing, the country's getting better, Britain is getting better, and it is healing. Let's rock and roll and get to the next motor vlog. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed that with that sexy Ducati super naked. And let's get that. Really stay safe, everyone, and Luke Rides. Catch you in the next episode. Luke Rides, this motor vlog, baby. Catch you later. Bye.
The way we...
The little rascal has spillage. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, kid.
Riding back to somewhere on the Ducati super duper naked. Woo! Oh wow, this is such an epic motorcycle. Oh my fucking god. Really? You ride a superbike or ride a super naked and the word speed just blurs. Fuck.
Yeah, baby, yeah!